Hello class 7, how are you? This is Yogita Naidu from Holy Arts Education Academy. Students, I know that you all are completing your assignments, staying at home and staying safe. Children, today we are going to take the third lesson of our supplementary book, that is the desert. But we are not going to talk about the dull phase of the desert. As with the word desert, the picture comes to us that it is a place where there is less rainfall, no water, it's full of sand and dry winds. We are living in a tropical place where there are forests, oceans, seas. But it is very difficult to believe that desert can also be a beautiful place to survive. Children, you have already studied in science that many of the desert plants and animals survive in these dry areas, that is in the desert. So there are many animals that they have adapted the habit of surviving in these dry places. It's true to believe that we can see grass and during the rains, when it is very less rainfall in the desert, but when it rains we can see the grass over there in the desert, and the desert seems to be like one of the tropical gardens. So desert can also be a place to survive. Desert is always not a flat place. It can also be a mountain or a hill. We can find oasis in the desert. Oasis is a place where it is like a small well or spring where water comes out from the ground, and it is in the mid of the desert, nearby which many of the plants can survive or plants can grow. Sometimes, children, the desert is too hot in the daytime like the Thar desert, and sometimes it is too cold like the Ladakh during the night time. So in some of the areas we come to know that there is no water in the desert. Of course, there is no water in some of the deserts where only we can find the heaps of sands are there. The strong winds blow and it collects as a mounds. Mounds means which is also called as sand dunes. So in these dry places, in this sand dunes area, our vegetation is hardly we can see. There are no plants survive over there. Children, we need water to survive. Not only we, but the plants and animals also need water to survive. So but there are some plants and animals in the desert which can survive without water for many days. For example, the camel, which is called as the ship of the desert, can intake good quantity of water at a time and can survive without water for many days. Do you know the reason? Yes, the reason is that they sweat less. We sweat to maintain the body temperature, and in dry seasons we sweat more because to keep our body cool. But the camels sweat very less, by which they can retain the water quantity in their body. In the same way, some more animals are there in the desert which did not drink water. They go into their burrows during the day and come out at night to eat. They get water from the moisture of the animals they eat, and some of the plants are there by which they get water, because some animals of the desert they eat plants and seeds, so they get water from those plants. In this way the animals maintain the water intake of their. In the same way, there are some plants which can survive without water for many days. For example, the cactus. The roots of the cactus are so close to the ground that when it rains, it absorbs the water into their roots and can survive for many days. Children, in the humid climates means when there is moisture in the air, it acts like a blanket to protect the earth's surface from the hot rays of the sun. So this blanket is absent in the desert. That's why deserts are too hot in the daytime, and so rapidly it gets cool off because of the absence of this blanket. So with this we came to know that the desert is also a place to survive. So apart from the forest, seas, oceans, the nature has planned desert also, so that it is also a place to survive. We can't deny with this that we can't survive in desert. We can definitely survive in the desert, as many of the plants and animals can survive. This is about the lesson, the desert. Hope you must have understood the lesson. Children, please complete the task of this lesson, and further we will meet in the next video. Bye. Do take very good care of yourself.